It has been highlighted the need for a preferred method for installing a pole platform on Endeavour Energy's network. Pole platforms must be inspected before every use. Defects to look for are: the metal frame is not rusted, pitted, cracked or bent, the metal spikes are secured and sharp, the chain is free of cracking, pitting and is secured to the pole platform, and the grip is intact and secured to the pole platform. To install a pole platform, it must be hauled up by a hauling line. Remove the pole platform from the hauling line and place the platform on top of the feet, leaning into the pole. Once the chain is wrapped around the pole, grab the platform with your dominant hand, the chain in your other hand, lift the platform up to horizontal and place a chain link into the frame. If the chain is kinked, remove the kink, adjust the chain links as required and ensure the chain is as horizontal as possible around the pole. The platform should be horizontal or lower at the back. If not, adjust the chain links accordingly. Once in the correct position, apply some weight to the back of the platform, then when transitioning, give the platform a good stomp before standing on it. To remove, grab the platform with your dominant hand, remove the chain with the other, place on top of the feet and wrap the chain around the platform. You got the weight? Yes. Lowering. Always inspect a pole platform for defects prior to use. Use a hauling line to raise and lower the weight of the platform. Always maintain good posture where possible. And prior to stepping onto the platform, ensure the chain is not kinked and the spikes are embedded into the pole. For any more information, contact us at Technical Training.